Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and get into the seamless crochet install. Today I'll be working with QVR hair. They did send me over 5 packs of their kinky curly hair. It also came with a crochet hook in each pack. This is the hair up close, very soft, no strong chemical smells. Also, this hair is in 20 inches. So if you can see, here is one strand out of the pack and it comes with a small thread attached to it, as you can see here. So you can get that seamless, invisible knot install. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this tutorial. For my braid pattern, I just did some straight backs and connected each braid to the next. Also, I have some leave out in the front as well. Now this hairstyle didn't take long at all. The braid down took about an hour and the install process was around an hour, also an hour and a half. So not that long at all. This is also 100% human hair. It is also reusable with proper care, of course, and takedown. Also, I had no problems at all with this install, no tangles, no shedding, nothing. So when installing, I simply just placed the thread on the crochet hook, pulled the hair, and as I'm pulling down, I'm making sure that the thread lands on top of my braid, and that is how you would get that seamless, knot-free look. So I'm going to show you guys up close what I'm talking about. So I just simply place the thread on the crochet hook, and then after I do that, I'll pull the hair through, and as I'm pulling down, I'm making sure that the thread lands on top of my braid. Okay, so this is pretty much self-explanatory. It's really not a lot to it. I would say that this hair is very good quality and I would definitely recommend it. All the details about this hair will be listed in the description box below. Now, depending on the braid pattern, this hairstyle can be very versatile, especially if you decide to leave some hair out. And I didn't leave a lot of my hair out in the front because I wanted to do as little maintenance as possible with my natural hair. But all in all, I think this install came out great. Also, I used a total of 4 packs, which I'm surprised because I do have a lot of hair. And each pack has a total of 38 to 40 pieces, which isn't bad. Now I did space out the hair like a finger width apart because I didn't want too much hair in my head and I wanted it to look as natural as possible. So now before I get to leave out, I'm going to spray this hair down with some water and go on with some mousse to it as well so I can bring these curls out a little bit more. And that is the end of this video. Let me know what you think about this hair in the comments below. Also, thanks again to QvrHair for sponsoring this video. All of the information will be in the description box below, and I will see you in my next video.